Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best breast lift tapes on the market, the Okela Boob tape. If you're looking for a solution to enhance support and confidence without the discomfort of traditional bras, this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Okela Boob tape isn't just your ordinary body tape. It's crafted from a blend of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, offering a comfortable and hypoallergenic alternative to other adhesive methods. The medical-grade silicone lining ensures it stays securely in place, even under challenging conditions like water or intense physical activity. Applying the tape is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply cut to size, peel off the backing, and gently apply for a natural lift and support that lasts. Whether you're wearing a backless dress, a deep V-neck, or even your favorite swimsuit, this tape blends seamlessly into your skin for an invisible look. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your natural shape with confidence and comfort, the Okela Boob tape is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and experience the difference yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned.